guys, what's up? And today we are back in another Minecraft video. Today's tutorial, how to build an airplane. So let's get started. We're gonna need piston, slime. Wait, was it? Okay, I just got confused, but oh my gosh, so yeah, we do this, I think. Okay, so this, I know this one works for sure. So yeah, go like this, and like we're writing. Let's see if this one works, because I'm confused now. So if this one doesn't work, so that's the tutorial how to build an airplane, guys. Please like, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.